All right, happy new year, you guys. I know it's well into the month of January. We're going dang near into February. It goes so fast, but I wanted to do a video getting the new year off to a start. I wanted to get some things off my chest and explain to you some changes that are going on. Do you want your toy? The dogs are here right now. Lexi's playing with her toy that I have with her, and Lady's over here not giving a shiznit about life as usual. Lady's like, I'm gonna nap, I'm gonna have a great meal, and that's all I care about. Do you want this toy? Go get it. Anyways, Lexi just turned 1. I can't believe how fast it's gone. She's not a little puppy anymore. So anyways, 2019, I'm so excited about. It's a good start to things, but I still want to talk to you guys to explain some changes. And I was going to address a couple videos at the end of last year that came out after my truth video that were not accurate by any means. And then I thought about it a lot and I was like, you know what? The 2019 for me is almost a fresh start because the last years, you guys know, last couple years in every aspect of my life, personal, professional, health-wise was so difficult for me. It was probably the most difficult 2 years of my life. But 2019 for me feels like such a fresh start. Makeup Geek's going into Target. I have plenty of other retailers that have reached out that want us to be in store. We have the Marseille line. I moved to Washington. I'm with an amazing man right now. We're starting a family. There's so many just amazing things that are going on for me. And so I don't want to focus on the negative, but I did just want to put it out there that there's two sides to every story. I'm not going to go into detail on mine because I don't want to draw any more attention to negativity. I'm focusing on positive moving forward. So I want to get that off my chest. But the reason I wanted to chat with you all is because I'm going to do some other videos on my channel. I'm not changing direction completely because I'm still going to do makeup videos, but I want to add in a more personal chat videos with you guys. I'm going to call them coffee chats with Marlena because you guys know I love coffee, but these videos are so important to me. I'll do one video on it specifically later about my spiritual journey. I'll just put it out there. I was at such a low point in my life, November over a year ago. So it's been a little over a year where I would not be alive today if it wasn't for a lot of spiritual things that had happened to me because I was at such a dark place. And I reached out to God and I was like, what is my purpose for life? And I feel like I have this platform that I built up for the last 10 or 11 years now, which is so crazy, goes so fast. But I didn't want it to be just about makeup. Not that that's a bad thing. Makeup for me has been such a positive reason. That's why I started Makeup Geek, because I was a chubby girl and my whole life that was a focus everyone would talk about, but makeup for me was a distraction. It was like if I had a beautiful eye makeup look on, people would talk about that and not talk about my weight. Plus there's the creative part. I love colors. I love texture. So everything about makeup for me is all positive. So that's why I focus on that. But long story short, I feel like my purpose in life is not just to talk about makeup. I feel like I'm blessed with this platform. I want to do more with it. So I want to go into some very deep videos of a lot of different topics. A lot of them will be centered around women because I am one, and I want to connect with all of you out there who have gone through things such as abusive relationships, depression and anxiety, life balance. I have so many things that I can talk about that I've been through that I haven't even told you guys about. And the reason I decided I want to start doing those on my channel is because, especially with abuse one, I didn't talk about it a lot. It's literally been on my heart for 2 years. I always get emotional when I talk about it. But for the last 2 years, I was like, I can't do this video. It's too difficult for me. It's very personal. People will look at me thinking I'm doing this video for attention or for views or whatever. But then when I started talking about some of the things I went through in my past relationships about abuse, I found out it was so common. And I heard stories from women, friends of mine or friends of friends or whatever, that went through the same thing, and you would never know. You would look at them and say, wow, they have, this beautiful family, these kids, they have a career, they have their shiznit together, but then you hear that they've gone through abuse and no one's talking about it. It's such a taboo thing, and I feel so isolated with it. So that video to me, honestly, is the most important video I will ever post on this channel. I don't care if the last 10 years of me doing makeup and fashion and all this fun stuff led me to a point where I can do that one video. I'm set. Like, that is how important this video is to me, because I want to help other women and men who've been in abusive relationships and have gotten out, because it is the most difficult thing is to get out. It doesn't matter how much money you have, if you have kids, if it was what type of abuse, if it was physical or emotional or sexual or whatever. Abuse is hard to get out of, and I want to give some stuff of what helped me, but also just to share my story in a small bit, not to make it like a juicy story at all. It's to share, like, this is my experience of someone who's gone through that. So those of you who out there who've gone through it, don't feel alone. So I am going to add some of those videos to my channel in addition to makeup. They'll be I'll have the topic on there, so if you guys aren't interested, you want to be on my channel just for the makeup, totally fine. Those will post on Mondays. My chat videos, my personal one-on-ones, just talking to you guys, are probably going to be on Wednesdays or Fridays, and then I'll still have some Fashion Friday videos coming. So I'm just adding that piece to my channel. I want to change direction to where my channel isn't just makeup, but it's kind of other things that are really important to me. I have to film these for myself as well. Like, it's healing for me too. So any topic you guys want to know, post in the comments below. I want you guys to have open conversation. I want this to be a very welcoming, positive, open community where we can all share our stories and learn from it and not feel alone in this world. So I know that sounds very like, I don't know what it's called, very optimistic, very whatever, but that's my dream. Let me know what you guys want to talk about. I hope you enjoy that part of my channel. I'm not going anywhere. I know for a while I was like, oh, do I keep doing this YouTube thing? But it's really important to me. It's not, this hasn't been a financial thing for me in a long time. I haven't made money from these videos, but I do them because it's so important to me to still have a voice, to still connect with you guys, to share with you what's going on with my companies or myself, because you've been with me for so long. And so I don't want to lose that connection, because you guys have helped me build so much, and I want you to be with me on the whole journey. So I really hope 2019 is an amazing year for all of us. Stay tuned for lots of great content. I have lots of cool stuff coming out for you guys. Makeup Geek is in Target now. Yay! We have more products. So if you see a Target that has the products, take pictures, send to me so I can see what it looks like, because I'm so excited. It's such a huge thing. I actually just got back yesterday from another big retailer that may carry us as well, that I think you guys will be excited about, but I will talk on that later when I'm allowed to. So anyways, you guys, take care. Have a great one. Thank you for your love and support. It means so much to me. So have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.